Okay, so let's hop right into this tutorial. So some of you have requested I do my Valentine's Day look on my Snapchat and on my Instagram, so I am here to recreate it for you. It's super simple and super cute, and thank you guys for requesting this look, because I did this look in about like 35 minutes. So let's hop right into it. I'm starting off with the bare face, obviously, so I'm going to prep my skin with the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Serum that looks like this. I talk about it a little bit more on my skin prepping video, so I will leave the link right there for you to click on and watch. I'm going to take one pump of this and apply it everywhere. I absolutely love this stuff. Next, I'm going to take my collagen eye cream, and that's the brand, it's called Collagen. Take a little bit of this. You know, we're getting of age now. It's time to take care of our skin. It's about that time. I'm going to put a little bit of this eye cream underneath. Okay, next I'm going to prep my lips with the Carmex Strawberry Lip Balm. The OG of lip balms. And next we're going to start prepping the brows. So I'm going to take my little spoolie, and my brows are a little bit wild. I'm trying to let them grow out and trying to see what I'm going to do, because I had my shape recently like messed up. So we're just going to let them roam free for right about now. Ooh, child. Okay. I don't do anything fancy, I just fill them in. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in Ebony. And just a ankle brush. And I'm just going to fill them in. Okay, now that the brows are filled, I just went in with my MAC Studio Concealer and a flat synthetic brush, and the concealer color is the shade NW35, and I just clean up my brows to make it look neat. Then I also prep my eyelids with this color. Okay, so once I did like a outlining of that, I'm going to take my Morphe M173 brush, and then I'm just going to blend out the concealer. So once that's done, I'm going to take the remainder concealer that's on the brush and just put that on my lid, because I don't want it to be too much. So priming the lid. Make sure to get that inner corner too. Okay, and take the same blending out brush and then just blend that all over the lid. Okay, next I'm going to be going in with my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. It looks like this. Let me show you guys so you guys can see. So I'm going in with this palette, and then I'm going to be using the color Amber, just like this brick tone. And I'm going to be using my Royal Langnickel crease brush, which is like a big fluffy brush. Then I'm just going to, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. You see? Okay, so I'm just going to apply this in the crease. Okay, next I'm going to be going in with the same palette, and then I'm going to be taking Saffron. It looks like this. So I'm going to add this color in the crease with my Morphe E28 brush. And I'm going to take the same Royal Lang Nickel brush that we used with the color Amber, the first crease color, and then I'm just going to make sure those two colors are blended together. Alright, so next I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlight Illuminator in the color 2, I believe. So it looks like this. And it's like I really don't know how to explain this. Like it looks white, but it's, when you apply it, it's like a gold. My camera is not playing with me today. So yeah, it's like a gold when you apply it. So I'm gonna take this and another flat concealer brush. Then I'm going to take this. I like to use these as like eyeshadow primers. And I'm going to apply this on my lid. Yeah. Do the same for the other eye. Like I said, this look is really simple. Super simple. So I'm going to go back in the palette. I'm going to be using the shade Angelic, which I absolutely love this shade. It's like a pinkish gold tone. My camera's really not picking up on the color, but if you see it in person, it's gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to be taking my Sigma SS252 brush and just applying that color right on top of that CoverGirl primer we just put down. And it really makes it like pop something serious, okay? Like this combo does not play. Now I'm gonna go back in with that saffron color and just intensify just a little bit more towards the outer parts of my eye. So next I'm gonna be taking my MAC 227 brush, and it looks like this. Then I'm gonna be taking the Desert Sand color, which is this color right here. And I'm going to apply this right underneath the brow bone. I miss doing like brow bone colors. So then I'm going to be going back and doing them more now. I don't know why I stopped doing the brow bone color. I'm just going to blend that in with the amber color. Just to make sure everything is nice and blended. Taking the CoverGirl eyeliner, which is the CoverGirl Get In Line Active Liner in the shade 350. It's a black color. I really like the brush on the CoverGirl eyeliners. So yeah, I like them and they're affordable. Alright, so I did my eyeliner, put on my eyelashes. Just to get that out the way, now is time for the fun part, the foundation. So I didn't use primer on Valentine's Day. I just did what I did. So I used the J Manual Filter Finish Collection Skin Perfector Foundation in Deep Filter 2. I honestly only have like a drop of this left. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and just apply her all over. For concealer, I'm going to be using the J Manual Filter Finish Collection Photo Illusion Concealer in the shade Airbrush Cocoa. I'm going to take the black concealer brush, I'm sorry, and just lay down the concealer first instead of just dipping my beauty blender, so I can make sure the product spreads just the way I want it to. Okay, so I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend her out. Okay, now we're gonna contour. I'm gonna be using the J Manual Beauty contour stick in the shade Tan. It's a lot of J Manual products, isn't it? I like his line because it's like full coverage and it's perfect for like when you're gonna be taking pictures. And you just want that flawless look in pictures. That's why. That is why. Take my beauty blender and blend out the contour. Because I have a very round face. So a little bit of definition, you feel me? So now we're gonna set everything. I'm gonna be taking my Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder. Looks like this. So we're gonna set the whole face first. I'm just gonna take like my little powder puff. And I'm gonna press over my whole face. Even over the eyebrows, because sometimes my eyebrows like to get shiny, so this helps slow down that process. Okay, close her up. Next I'm gonna get my Ben Nye banana powder, and then I'm gonna set my highlighted areas with my beauty blender. This technique works for me, and it just makes everything look super flawless. And then a little bit on the forehead. We're going to do the lower lash line color. I'm going to take the color Saffron. Again, what we used on the outer corner of our eye. I'm going to take a smaller brush, which is the Morphe M124. And I'm just going to place this on my lower lash line. Real simple. I'm going to take my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. It never fails. And just apply like a little light coat of mascara on my bottom lashes. Not too much. I'm going to take my CoverGirl Full Spectrum Defining Moment pencil in the Blackest Black, and then I'm just going to lightly line my waterline. Move here. Ever so slightly. So I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert Cheek Palette, and this is the Blush Touch palette. It looks like this. And I'm going to be mixing these two, like the gold and the pink color. And I'm going to apply this as highlight. These are really good highlighter colors. They're very pigmented, and they will make your look pop for sure. See, look at that. Look at that. A little bit on the nose. I used the pink color on the nose, then the pink color on the cupid's bow. Did a little bit right here. Okay, as far as the lips, I'm going to be lining my lips. Like, look at this, y'all. This is the NYX liner in Downtown Beauty, which is like one of my favorites. Ah! No! No, don't do me like that. Wait. Oh my gosh, this is so bootleg. Oh my god, it's falling. Jeez, I can't even sharpen it no more. Can you just, we're almost done. Can you just hang in there? This is tragic. I need to hurry up and buy me a new one. You made her work though. Thank you. Okay, so next we're gonna take Angel lipstick by MAC. After that, we're gonna take the Huda Beauty lip strobe in the color Angelic and put her on the center. This is really pretty as a lip topper. So pretty. We're gonna wipe away the excess powder. We're almost done. We're gonna add a little bit of blush. I'm gonna be using Raisin Blush, sorry, by MAC, and just a regular blush brush. And just apply this. And I like to apply this on the sides of my nose too. And let's spray her down. I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus in the lavender. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? Super simple, right? Yes, extremely simple. So make sure you check the description box down below. I will link everything that I use in this tutorial down below, so make sure you check that out. Also, if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the garden on today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.